Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very quick video for you. It's about these napkin holders right here that I created for super cheap. Basically they were these really plain napkin holder, very lightweight. You can tell it's really like cheap, and I decided to, be myself and have some bling on it. You know how I like bling bling. So let me show you how I did this. This is really cute, and it does upgrade your table. So if you want to know how I created these, then keep on watching. To begin this project, you will need an adhesive gemstone little sheet. It's like a peel and stick type of gemstones. Not something fancy. You can get it on Amazon, eBay, or any craft store that can carry, things like this. And basically what I do is just I take the napkin holder and I peel and literally stick it on the napkin holder. It's really easy, and I will show you how to do it. These are the ones that I have to do, and these are the ones that I already did. So yeah, keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. This really shows how you can transform anything with simple ideas and simple things that don't have to be necessarily expensive. You can get them at cheap stores or online for like great deals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you are going to make something yourself. And yeah, this was my DIY napkin holder tutorial. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.